Good afternoon. Today we are continuing from where we were last day. So today we are doing multiplication and division. Multiplication and division examples. We are evaluating the following. Number one, we are saying x cubed times x squared. So it's x cubed times x squared. So we see that the coefficient of x cubed is 1 and the coefficient of x squared is 1. So the first thing that you do is to multiply the coefficients, which is 1 times 1, you get 1. And you can see that the variables here are x and x here. So if the variables are the same, you just add the powers, which is x to the power 3 plus 2 from laws of indices. We are saying 3 plus 2, which is 1x to the power 5, with the final answer, which is x to the power 5. That's our answer there. We move to number 2. Number 2 is saying 4x to the power 4 times 2x to the power minus 3. As I say, that first thing that you do, you multiply the coefficients, which is here is 4 and 2. You say 4 times 2. The variables are the same, so you add the powers times x to the power 4 plus minus 3. You are saying 4 times 2 to get 8 times x to the power plus times a minus, you get a negative, so you have 4 minus 3 to get 1. So our final answer is 8x to the power 1 there. We move on to number 3 there. Number 3, we are saying x to the power 5 divided by x to the power 3. We apply laws of indices, which says when you divide, you separate the powers since the variables are the same here. So you are saying you take x to the power 5. As I said, you separate powers. You say 5 minus 3 to get x to the power 2. We're moving to number 4. Which is saying 3 open bracket x plus 1. Right? You see, this 3 multiplies everything inside this bracket. So you are saying 3 times x plus 1 times 3. So you are saying 3 times x to get 3x plus 1 times 3, you get plus 3. So you cannot add 3x plus 1 to get 6x. You cannot do that. Why? Because they are not like terms, this one. So this is our final answer. We move to number 5. Number 5 is saying x minus 1. It multiplies to x minus 4. So you can see that here we have 2 brackets. So the rule says first bracket affect the second bracket. So you say this x will multiply everything here. So you are saying x multiplies to x minus 4 and the minus 1 affect everything here, 2x minus 4. And then you remove brackets from here. This x multiplies this 2x, and this x multiplies this minus 4. We are saying 2x times x minus 4 times x, and this minus 1 will multiply again everything inside here. So minus 1 times 2x and minus 4 times minus 1. Right. And then from here, we simplify further then. We are saying 2x times x. Since the variables are the same here, which means the power of x is 1 and the power of x is 1. And the coefficient of x here is 1. As I said before, that we are multiplying the coefficients first. We are saying 2x times 1. To say 2x times 1 times, as variables are the same, we add the powers. So we are saying x 1 plus 1. We are saying minus 4 times, the coefficient is 1. So we are saying minus 4 times 1 times x to get minus 4x. We are saying minus 1 times 2x to get minus 2x. Right. So we are saying minus times a minus to get a positive. And then we say 4 times 1 to get 4. Right. So we have 2 times 1 here to get 2. We have x to the power 1 plus 1, which means we have x to the power 1 plus 1 to get 2. So you have x squared. These are like terms, so you can add or subtract them. So we have minus 4x minus 2x. So what do we do from there? We are saying if the signs are the same like these ones, you take the sign, you take the common sign and add the numbers. So the common sign here is negative. You take negative and then you add those numbers. We have 4x plus 2x to get 6x, which means our final answer is minus 6 plus 4. There are no like terms there which we can add or subtract, which means our final answer is this one. We are moving to number 6. The last question, we are saying minus 4x minus half minus 1 over 4x. Right. We are saying minus 4 multiplies everything inside this bracket. So we write like this, minus 4x times minus half minus 1 over 4x times 4 minus 4x. This minus 4x is same as minus 4 over 1 minus 4 over 1. Yeah. So we are saying minus times a minus. Those on top, they multiply each other, and those on division side, they multiply each other. So I say minus 4x times minus 1, you get plus 4x over 1 times 2 to get 2. A minus times a minus, get a positive. Right? We are saying minus times a minus get positive. So we are saying x times 4 to get 4x squared over, we say 4 times 1 to get 4. We simplify further if possible. Yes, it's possible. So we are saying 2 into 4 to get 2, 4 into 4 to get 1. So final answer, we have 2x plus x squared. You cannot add 2x plus x squared, which means this is our final answer there. I think.